Chicken Tikka Masala, a flavorful fusion of spice, culture and story. Ingredients serves for the chicken tikka, marinated chicken, .500 grams boneless chicken breast or thigh, cut into cubes. 1 cup plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 garlic cloves, grated. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, ½ teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste. For the masala sauce, two tablespoons oil or ghee, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, and ½ teaspoon ground coriander, ½ teaspoon turmeric, and ½ teaspoon chili powder, 2 cups canned crushed tomatoes or tomato puree, ½ cup heavy cream or coconut milk, salt to taste, chopped fresh cilantro for garnish. Step-by-step chicken tikka masala recipe. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, ginger and spices. Add chicken cubes and coat them well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. 2. Cook the chicken. Grill, bake at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, or pan-sear the marinated chicken until slightly charred and fully cooked. 3. Prepare the masala sauce. Heat oil or ghee in a large pan. Add onions and cook until soft and golden. Stir in garlic and ginger. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric and chili powder. Stir briefly to bloom the spices. Pour in tomatoes and simmer for 10 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken. Add cream or coconut milk, mix well and season with salt. Add the cooked chicken to the sauce and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Serve. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Serve hot with basmati rice, naan bread, or both. The fascinating history and origins of chicken tikka masala, where it all began, tikka in India. The word tikka means pieces or chunks in Hindi. Chicken tikka originated in India, where small pieces of chicken were marinated in yogurt and spices, then roasted in a tandoor, clay oven. This dish was especially popular during the Mughal Empire, often served in royal courts. But what about the masala, a British invention? Surprisingly, chicken tikka masala is believed by many to be a British invention, not a traditional Indian dish. According to the most popular, though debated, story, in the 1960s, a customer at a Bangladeshi restaurant in Glasgow, Scotland, complained that his chicken tikka was too dry. The chef improvised by adding a tomato-based sauce. Some say it was made from tomato soup, cream, and spices. The customer loved it, and a new dish was born: Chicken Tikka Masala. While historians debate the accuracy of this tale, one fact is widely accepted: Chicken Tikka Masala has become one of Britain's most beloved dishes. Cultural impact and global spread. In India, chicken tikka is usually served dry or with chutney. The masala sauce is a Western adaptation. In the UK, the saucy, creamy version is a staple in every Indian restaurant. Across the world, chicken tikka masala represents a delicious bridge between cultures, a true East meets West culinary success. Open quote, "It is often cited as the national dish of the United Kingdom, reflecting the multicultural nature of British society." Close quote. Fun facts. The term garam masala literally means hot spice mix in Hindi. There are reportedly over 20 different versions of chicken tikka masala around the world. In 2001, British Foreign Secretary Robin Cook called it a true British national dish. The dish symbolises both post-colonial migration and culinary fusion.